Hello guys, this is Nobody TV. Welcome back to another amazing video on my YouTube channel. Important update for those of us mining Sidra airdrop, right? You can see this is Sidra Telegram channel. So and they have restored their liveness claiming this thing. So earlier about a week ago or a few days ago, if you want to claim, you have to verify your face, or you have to position a camera to capture your face before you can be able to verify your face and the liveness of your face and claim your token. But now you don't need to do that anymore. You can now claim direct after 24 hours. You can now claim without your face verification. All right, that's number one. Then number two, you can see the official channel, the official update on SDA is claiming everyone whose liveness verification three times while claiming SDA, they will continue their claim process without liveness verification these coming days. You can see this was on the 18th of this month. They shared this update. So that is number one update. Then number two, they just partner with these people. You can see this they share this one today. I think today is 20 or so. Yeah, today is 20. They shared this one this morning about 1 hour ago. They say if you're already in this channel and you come across this Sindab project, then be grateful you have just found a golden opportunity. So this Sindab project is like they just partner with them, and I believe this is going to cook, guys. So as you can see, the app is already on Play Store. So let's go and activate this and start mining this particular project. I have already activated mine. If you go to this place, this is mine here. So if I adjust, you can see 2.250 rate per hour. So if this is their social task, this is their social task which you can do and accumulate more points for yourself. All right, so before you be able to activate this account, you need a referral code. All right, so I'll be leaving the link of everything in the video description on the comment section. You need a referral code. So you can see I have not set up this account because I just activated this account now. If I click on this icon here now, if I click on this, I can see I have 0.0 SNBD. So I will click on set sail. Please complete all tasks. Okay, if you complete all these tasks, then you are good to go. So let me give you guys the code, the invitation code we use, because without that invitation code, you won't be able to mine this particular project. All right, so let me give you guys the invitation code. This is the invitation code here. This is the invitation code you will use, this particular one. All right, this particular one that's shown on this particular screen. This is this is my code now. That's what you are going to put there. So I'll be leaving the referral link to the comment section or the video description, so you guys can get started and start mining this particular project, guys. Let's believe this will cook. All right, let's believe this will cook. And if you have not done your KYC on BToken, let me know in the comment section. I will guide you on how to do it. And if you need plastic NIN to verify your to verify your KYC and verification, also let me know your BToken KYC. Also let me know in the comment section. I will tell you how much I charge to print NIN and send to you PDF on WhatsApp. All right. So let's mine this, guys. Let's mine this. So if you look here, I don't have any points here. at all. So if I go ahead and complete, I don't want the video to be too long. I could have go ahead to complete all these tasks, all right, but I don't want the video to be too long. So if you are here, complete all these tasks, all right, complete all these tasks, all the tasks they impute here, so that you will be good to go. All right, so that is all for today. That is all. So make sure you use this referral code, because they must surely ask you for the referral code. When I was signing in, they asked me input the referral code your friend gave you got from your friend, or you log out. Because if you don't have the referral code, there is no way you can activate this particular SNBD. Sorry, this SNBD. There is no how you can activate this particular SNBD. So use this referral code. I'm Sonnyboy 551. All right, that is the referral code you're going to use. I'm Sonnyboy 551. You can see it here. So use it So make sure you like this video, share to friends, subscribe, and turn the bell icon so that when I post amazing videos like this, YouTube will notify you and you come and watch and learn from it. Alright, see you guys in my next video. Peace.